Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can use Pinterest trends. Go ahead and open your phone, go to the browser and search for Pinterest trends, and you can see this link over here. Now what you need to do is read about it. So this site tells you about the top trends in the United States this month, and you can see that you can discover trending ideas across our most popular categories. So you can see that these are some of the trends which are really pumping up. So in order for you to log in, you should click on get started, click login if you have your account, or you can sign up to your account and use the Pinterest trends. So you can click on this option over here and then log into your Pinterest trends account. So you can see that you have now logged into your account. Now you can start seeing the trends. So you can see that this is according to the range. So you can see you can change the range from here, the past 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. So you can choose this. The end date is over here. You can see the diagram over here. You can change the diagram from trendy. So you can see a lot of related trends over here. You can select the trend which you want to see. If you scroll a bit down, you can see the popular trends and pins to this idea. So if you click it, it will take you to Pinterest and you can see some of the popular trends. Now if you go back to this website over here, and if you go way all back, you can see this has a lot of categories in it. You can search the categories yourself. You can see the search bar over here. Let me just go ahead and search for something like football. After I click on this link over here, if you scroll a bit down, you can see the most popular pins over here. So if you want something related to this, you can see the football wallpapers. I'll just go ahead and tap on it, and you can see some of the popular pins and trends. If I tap on it, it will take me to Pinterest and you can see the most trendy wallpapers which I had searched for. You can also do this in the search bar. You can just go ahead and search for trendy, and the AI of how you can use the Pinterest will realize what you're trying to search, and it will give you the latest trendy pictures. So guys, this is how you can use the Pinterest trends. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.